All right, guys, I know it's been a busy day and I know you guys have learned a lot, so I'm going to keep it brief. So in each of your guys' counties, I want you guys to talk amongst yourselves and to each uh, say one aha moment they've had today. So if you guys just want to take 2 minutes, 3 minutes and do that just inside your counties, that'd be awesome. And you guys can just join your breakout rooms if you are part of a breakout room. All right, so let's finish up in this next minute and we'll finish up.
Then
All right, guys. So I've hoped you've all learned something today, and now you've learned what other people have learned today. And so we just want to remind you that the tri-team trainings for the other categories will start tomorrow at 10 a.m. and just remind you to get on those. And with that,
any questions?
Is there any questions any of you guys have? If so, type them in the chat or unmute and hurry ask.
Hey, go ahead.
Oh, heads up. So STEM and agroscience and finance are doing lunch at noon and then we'll end at 4. Oh, this is for tomorrow.
All right, so those guys are doing lunch at noon and they will end at 4 o'clock, for those of you who didn't know. And with that, oh, Beaver, do you have something?
So we never did get a schedule for tomorrow. Is it lost in our email somewhere or has it been sent out? For the agri-science and STEM.
So the link for that meeting should have gone out in the general one. It should have been in the same email. And
We have the link, but we're not sure like the times for lunch, that kind of thing.
Okay, they just barely announced that. So they're starting at 10 And then they're
Right.
gonna break at noon for lunch, and instead of going to 5, they're gonna end at 4.
But what time does lunch end? That's our question. Is it a half-hour lunch, an hour lunch?
Should be an hour lunch.
1
Okay.
hour lunch.
Okay,
And then the healthy living groups will be eating
as you go.
as we go in ours. So we'll just go straight and you'll be there the whole time.
Okay,
So,
thanks. We just
everybody
had a
cook
question
together.
on lunch and how to prepare.
Okay. Any other questions?
All right. So we thank you guys for coming today, and we hope you've learned something. And with that, we will let you guys go. So have a nice night, and see ya.
Thank you. Thank you.